Welcome. Today we are looking at an interesting algorithmic problem called beautiful arrangement. This is LeetCode problem number 526. It is a classic backtracking problem that tests your understanding of permutations and recursion. Here is the challenge. We are given a single integer, and our goal is to find the total number of beautiful arrangements we can make using numbers from 1 to n. The output should be a single integer representing this count. So, what makes an arrangement beautiful? It's all about the relationship between the number and its position. For every position I, which is 1 based, the number at that position must satisfy one of two conditions. Either the number is divisible by the index I, or the index I is divisible by the number. If every number in the permutation satisfies this, the whole arrangement is valid. Let's look at a simple example where n equals 2. We have the numbers 1 and 2. The first permutation is 1, 2. At position 1, we have 1, which works. At position 2, we have 2, which also works. The second permutation is 2, 1. At position 1, we have 2. 2 is divisible by 1, so that works. At position 2, we have 1. 2 is divisible by 1, so that also works. Both permutations are beautiful, so the answer is 2. Now consider n equals 3. There are 6 possible permutations in total. However, not all of them satisfy our condition. In this slide, you can see valid arrangements marked in green and invalid ones marked in red. Only 3 of these 6 permutations are actually beautiful. Let's analyze why a specific case fails. Take the array 1, 3, 2. At index 1, we have 1, which is fine, but look at index 2. We have the number 3. 3 is not divisible by 2, and 2 is not divisible by 3. The condition fails here. Since one position is invalid, the entire arrangement is discarded immediately. How do we solve this? A brute force approach would generate every single permutation first and then check them. That is incredibly slow because the number of permutations grows very fast. A better approach is backtracking. We build the arrangement step by step. If we place a number that violates the rule, we stop immediately and backtrack. This saves massive amounts of time. Here is the recipe for our backtracking algorithm. We start at index 1. We iterate through numbers 1 to n. We check if the current number is unused and satisfies the condition for the current index. If it does, we place it and move to the next index. If not, we skip it. When we return from the recursive call, we backtrack by marking the number as unused again. Think of this as a decision tree. We start at the root. At level 1, we try placing valid numbers. If a path is valid, we go deeper. If a number doesn't fit, like the red node shown here, we prune that branch entirely. We never waste time exploring paths that have already failed. To summarize, the beautiful arrangement problem asks us to count valid permutations based on divisibility rules. We solve this efficiently using backtracking with pruning. This approach allows us to handle the constraints effectively by avoiding unnecessary calculations. It is a perfect example of the try, check, and backtrack pattern.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.